Very good morning to all of you. My senior, respected Negi Saab. Whenever I met him, I get blessing from him. And today also, with a good soul. Thank you very much, sir. My colleague Malhotra ji, Mathur Saab, and all seniors and veterans from the industry. This topic is very, very complex in nature. Today's integrity, assets management, and various regulations on that. But I would like to cover my views on that and what, as a regulator, we are doing. The topic which are there are learning from the incident, safety during manufacturing and construction, pipeline, CGD, IMS stakeholders, learning from the incident. These are the good topics which are there. But what PNGRB are doing at present, I would like to share with you. So to begin with, first of all, what PNGRB has done from the last, practically from the last few years, I feel that this is the parallel work of the regulator as well as the industry. Our responsibility has increased now with National Gas Grid as well as the award of CGD pan-India basis. So we are now with the kitchen, in the kitchen of everybody. Our customer base has increased. Our responsibility has increased. If there is any disruption anywhere and the gas doesn't flow to the kitchen, I think we are all have to face the music. And the recent incident which have happened due to change of the river course, I think we have experienced a lot. What parallel actions to be done. But prior to this also, PNGRB formed various committees which was related to the ease of doing business, for consumer protection, for safety, which was headed by Mr. M.B. Lal. The report is in the website. We have also taken various steps, what could be the various actions to be taken by the different industry players for achieving the gas consumption in the country as a Vision 2040. This is also in the public domain. And learning from the incident which happened few months before, we have formed a committee which is headed by Mr. R.D. Goel, ex-director project. So why this was there? During that time, I was heading the technical division, so I learned a lot during that period. See, whatever the regulators are doing earlier, it was only focusing on award, authorization, tariff fixation, and whether the MWP target is completed or not, and then imposing the penalty. This was the earlier thought of regulators. And then we were keeping distance as we are the regulator, we will not touch you, we will see you in a very, very aggressive way, and we will not talk with you, we will not take input from you, we will impose the penalty. All these were the thought process maybe 5-7 years before. But during the period of 4 to 5 years, I feel, and I think you can bet, that we have changed the mindset of regulators, and we have tried to change the mindset of the stakeholders who are connected with the regulators. So these type of conferences gives us the feedback. So the topic which has been taken and which has been suggested and which is going to be talked are very, very relevant, because this is the parallel work. Regulator भी चलेगा और आप भी चलेंगे, तभी हम achieve कर पाएंगे. So this is one. Second is that the incident which happened, it came to my mind what actions to be taken, because security of supply is very, very important. And for that, whether the parallel pipeline to be laid, whether the distribution network which are there to be strengthened, and how distribution network to be shared among the various companies during these type of disruptions. The time has come now, because every geographical area stakeholders or the entity are the brother and sister of each other. They have to share the infrastructure. Recently, in the past also, when this incident happened, the support was provided by torrent gas to GAIL and others also. IGL also provided. So what I mean to say, this is the time of collaboration, cooperation, and coordination among the various entities who are working and among the various stakeholders who are to be served as a consumer, because security of supply is the prime importance for that. So I think in this conference, some stake to be discussed, which could be forwarded to the PNGRB, so that we can change regulations wherever required to ensure the security of supply. Second is that for the consumers also, ultimately consumers satisfaction is very vague word. Whether consumer are satisfied or not satisfied is a very, but important is that the consumers must feel safety of that. Recent accident in the Goa also, which happened, is also a learning for us. What could be, what method, what steps could be taken. So this is the joint responsibility to give comfort to the consumer for safety, because we are dealing with the hydrocarbon, and it is a mesh network. We are on the hydrocarbon here also. So this safety is very, very important. For that, comfort needs to be given to the consumers, because any incident has impact on the CGD companies and the companies who are listed, like GAIL, IOCL, BPCL, HPCL and others. They are listed companies. So any incident, any accident happens is going to have disruption on that. For all the areas of T4S, IMS, ERDMP, we are changing the regulations. We have some stakeholders consultation for that. So that regulatory changes has come up in access code also, and we take your views wherever required to be changed. Now, few things for the next year, what PNGRB is going to give, and I think besides the various technical things, something to be given to the as a CGD companies. So we are going to give from 1st January a gift to the CGD companies in terms of 2 zones. That is going to be announced very soon. We have concluded major pipelines tariff, which has impact on the unified tariff. Further, we will analyze in the next year after 2 zones tariff and 1st zone tariff for CNG and PNG domestic customers. So that is going to be announced very soon, possibly maybe this month, and will be effective from 1st January. Next, we are going to analyze which sectors are going to contribute in the gas consumption. We had a discussion with various stakeholders, fertilizer, power and others. So we are going to take up and analyze what could be the, what way these sectors could be supported, so that the industrial and commercial consumptions, which are important for the CGD companies, could be given. And third thing are that in the next year you are going to have various regulatory changes in all technical, safety, ERDMP and others also. So we hope that next year is going to be vibrant year, and we will take inputs from you, these type of conferences, and we'll change the regulations wherever required. With this, I would like to conclude, and I convey my best wishes for the next year, 2026, which is very near now, 23 days from now. So I compliment all of you for New Year, happy and prosperous, healthy and vibrant 2026 for the entities, stakeholders, and for the PNGRB, because we are going to have parallel work. Thank you very much.